I'm warping hand-reeled silk, dyed with Ryukyu indigo to weave Kudzu-fu obi. I make the cross using my index finger and middle finger. I plan to make 2 obi, so the length of the warp must be 13 meters. The total number of warp threads is 568, and the warp density is around 16 per centimeter. It was a hot and humid day, and I had some sweat during warping. Thank you for your attention. Kudzu Gates, Guardians of Humanity. The details of the 2023 Kudzu-fu workshop are attached in the column below. Why don't you join the workshop to learn about the Kudzu-fu?